What's up, guys? I want to walk you through this project right here. This is a Honda Civic, what is it? EK hatch. And it's getting repainted in a Type R yellow color. It's a basic yellow, no pearl, but it's a full gutted paint job. A full tear down. You're basically taking every molding, every little clip, every little piece off the car because it's getting fully redone. You have to make sure that the part is in good condition because, I mean, as you can see, this was kind of redone a little bit. Once we took off the soundproofing, a lot of this, you know, it wasn't straight. It was very lumpy. So we kind of try our best to make it as straight as possible because once it does get painted, you're gonna see it. Like, you're gonna see the condition that it's in. It's gonna look nice. So you want that good finish. So today is just finally in the booth. There really isn't a before picture simply because the car it didn't have an engine and the paint wasn't really in good condition. So it's not really going from a fully built car to a yellow car. It's basically going to a project car to now. So I'm just gonna show you guys the whole process, start to finish. This is the start. So the car is all finally finished. So after painting it, we polished the whole car after putting it all back together. Suspension in the front is back in. I'm not sure if the hood latch is in. Yep. Hood latch is in. Suspension, brakes, that's all back in. And the car is looking beautiful. Interior, all yellow. So overall, super fun project. The owner reached out to me. He says he loves the job. He wants to make another video of him putting the engine in and actually test driving it. There's a lot of stuff he wants to do. Right now, we finished our job. We took it from an old beat up shell to a beautiful Type R yellow. So there you have it. I'm gonna pan around the car so you guys can take a look at all the fine little details. But it's good to see this car finally done and ready to head out to the owner. And surprisingly, we have another yellow car here. This one's factory, but that's another story altogether.